for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. And listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and 8 to 14 outlook from Thursday, June 10th to Wednesday, June 16th. Calls for severe thunderstorm watch number 234 has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Morris, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Carbon, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, Northampton, Philadelphia, and Schuylkill. And penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations affected include Honeybrook, Elverson, Glenmore, Chester Springs, Freetown, Leonville, Cedarville, Leonville, Markwood, Stowe, South Pufftown, Kenworth, and Exton. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 316, Interstate 100 at 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 2. For your protection, move to an interior room on the roof. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks and Chester. The current time is 5:16 p.m. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Flash flooding includes Honeybrook, Elverson, New Morning, and Glenmore. Elverson, New Morning, and Glenmore. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 307. Interstate 100 to 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 2. Most flood damage occur in vehicles. Motorists should not attempt to drive around barricades or drive cars through flooded areas. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning is 6:01 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service forecast for Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, Sussex County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Monroe County in southeastern Pennsylvania, and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts to radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Radar flash flooding is ongoing or flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Westchester, Norristown, Pottstown, and low-lying areas, West Norton. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Westchester, Norristown, Pottstown, Phoenixville, West Norton, East Norton, Coatesville, Downeytown, Conshohocken, Ambler, Birdsboro, and Collegeville. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 337. Interstate 100 at 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 2. Interstate 400 at 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 2. Interstate 400 at 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 17 and 19. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 27. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service forecast for Allentown, Flash flood warning for northern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey, southern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 11 p.m. At 7:09 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Camden, Wilmington, Newark, Westchester, Chester, Pennsville, Yadden, Westtown, Carneys Point, Conshohocken, and Palmyra. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 335 and 338. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 27. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 0 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 330 and 351. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 15. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 2 and 4. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 19. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. The following is a flood statement. In Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Mercer County in central New Jersey, north central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, eastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hightown, or 12 miles east of Trenton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, Old Bridge, East Brunswick, South Brunswick, Sayreville, Manalapan, Princeton, Florence, Jamesburg, Hightown, Bordentown, Cranberry, Allentown, Roosevelt, Florence Roebling, Brownville, West Freehold, Adelphia, Clarksburg, and Whitehorse. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 6 and 9. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 16. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 54 and 68. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 124 and 125. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Mercer, Middlesex and Monmouth, and Bucks, Pennsylvania. At 8 p.m.